What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. It features calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. Basic parts of Excel. What is a workbook? In Microsoft Excel, a workbook is a collection of one or more spreadsheets, also called as worksheets, in a single file. What is a worksheet? Excel worksheets. The term worksheet used in Excel documents is a collection of cells organized in rows and columns. Each worksheet contains 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns and serves as a giant table that allows you to organize information. In Microsoft Excel, a sheet tab, or worksheet tab is used to display the worksheet that a user is currently viewing or editing. The Sheet tab scroll buttons are another means of navigating between sheets of the workbook other than selecting a tab. File tab contains the basic required options such as New, Open, Save, Save As, Print, Share, Export, and Close options. Other than the aforementioned options, we can find Account and Excel Options tab, too. With this option, we can get the information about the particular Excel file. Quick Access Toolbar. This is a customizable toolbar which can be used to contain your most frequently used commands. Excel Title Bar. It lies next to the Quick Access Toolbar or on top of the Excel window. It displays the name of the open document. Name box. In Microsoft Excel, the name box displays the cell that is currently selected in the spreadsheet. It is located to the left of the formula bar. If a name is defined for a cell that is selected, the name box displays the name of the cell. Formula bar. The formula bar is where data or formulas you enter into a worksheet appear for the active cell. The formula bar can also be used to edit data. Select All button. On an Excel worksheet, just below the name box and in the origin of the row and column headings, there's a little square you can click on to select all. Excel Ribbon. Microsoft Excel Ribbon is the row of tabs and icons at the top of the Excel window that allows you to quickly find, understand and use commands for completing a certain task. Column headings. Excel displays alphabetical headings across the top of each worksheet to indicate columns. The row heading or row header is the gray-colored column located to the left of columnar in the worksheet containing the numbers from 1 to 1,048,576 used to identify each row in the worksheet. Status bar. The status bar at the bottom of Office programs displays status on options that are selected to appear on the status bar. Average, count and sum are selected by default. vertical and horizontal scroll bar. There are two scroll bars in Excel. One is a vertical scroll bar which is used to view the data in Excel going up or down, and another scroll bar is horizontal scroll bar which is used to view the data in Excel going left or right. Zoom control. Zoom control is a slider that lies at the right end of the status bar. You may also click the zoom level to customize it. View shortcuts. This area allows the user to quickly change the worksheet view to normal, page layout or page break preview. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified if my new videos come out. Feel free to comment below for any suggestions for the next video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next tutorial.